Hi, could you please tell me who you are?
Hello, my name is Stefan and I'm from Vienna.
And could you please play your ringtone to me?
Sure.
Okay, could you please tell me something about the ringtone?
Okay, the ringtone is kind of a song I like from the band Sugar Ray, and choose it because it's kind of a cool song. It's a good beginning. It starts not too loud, but gets louder with the time, so I'll hear it when it rings.
And how long do you have it on your phone?
I think for 2 years.
Oh, that's quite long. So, thank you very much and